Hey, it's me, I'm JC, Jermaine, JC is what they call me. And I'm back with a first try. This right here. This is IAMJAC. This is part one. Part two will be up tomorrow. Yes, this is the first try. What's in this box? Well, I did unboxing last week. And you know the color of this box is different than the color of this tote bag is different than the other. So let's open this up. First thing I'm going to be trying is the body wash. Right here. This is IAMJAC, as I said before. IAMJAC, and the scent is Sandalwood body wash. And then from that, I'm going to be also giving Aries a little bit of a treatment. Well, I'm going to give him a little bit of a wash day with a 2-in-1, the shampoo plus conditioner. And last but not least, I'm going to be giving my arms to love, apparently, with a first try of IAMJAC deodorant. Aluminum free Sandalwood. Now, as is a first try, this is going to be really different because I can't really do this on camera with you. I know, and I'm really sorry about that. I kind of never allow that kind of scenario to ever happen. So for that, I do apologize. But at the same time, I'm going to try to always give you a full reaction of using it. Now, for my wash day, for my body wash, I'm going to be using this right here. Your little loofah to add that to help that out. And that's pretty much it. I'll be back with you with I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna get Aries done. So I'll be back once I finish my body. Once I just use the body wash so I can describe it more. Then I'll be back with you. So first tries, ready? See you soon. Alright, I'm back. I'm a little bit toweling off right now. Why? Because I just used this right here. Now, wow, this came on real smooth. It's a little sudsy. So, I gave you a little bit of description. I just added this into this. So, it did the job. How about that? It's kind of hard. Body washes are all kind of have their own kind of things. Some are extra sudsy. Some are just quick. I like it. This one is natural. This is 90%, this is 95%, 97% natural, and they want you to recycle it. Cruelty-free, gluten-free. I don't know what this other one is. Right there. I'm reading that off. But I will lie. What I love about this also, it has 16.9 ounces, 4 ounces. So this has at least a lot of washes in it. As long as you use your right utensils, like so. Now, I've already told you what the smell is, but I'll smell it one more time. It's really great, but the smell is not like strong, so that's great. I always tell people like, you don't want something that's like, oof, that much. So first thing is a try I like. Now, let's go with the next one. Now this, we're gonna have to set up for. I'm gonna give you kind of like a little bit of a wash day, so I'm gonna go from this to a little bit more down right here. And I'm going to be starting the water now. And I'm going to damp Aries first. This is Aries first. I'm going to just give you a wash. And then I'm probably going to do everything else. I'm going to get everything else for him later. So first, wet your beard always before you start doing any type of wash day. Now this is your first beard wash with me for this year. I wanted to give you a different one, but why not do a gift set version? See, now my beard is fully wet and coated. So, what we're gonna do now is add the product. How much do you need? This is 8 ounces, so that's a little, but not a lot. I know I did like earlier. Yeah, I'm that person. So, you need like that much. That's a lot, actually. Watch. I've not used this before, as a reminder, this is the first trial. Let's cut that off. It smells just like this shampoo. It smells just like the body wash. This is shampoo plus conditioner. It smells really good. As you know, I kind of like to get it all in there. With a beard wash, I like shampoos and conditioners. But with this, I don't know if I would do it twice because I feel like it's getting the job done because this has both. A shampoo conditioner means this is a clarifying one, but at the same time, it's going to be probably either clarifying or it's going to have a lot of moisture in it. So you just like that. And you're just gonna go all the way out like that. So if you have your beard, as always, this is how you're gonna detangle your beard actually as well. And after that, from dimpling that, we're gonna just dimp one more time to wash it off. Dimp one more time with more water. And we're gonna wash more off. And as the first try, I mean, it got a little setting as you saw. It feels great. So it's a good thing. I mean, it's a great ad. What I can say as a recommendation so far as this is like great for the gym. Like, say if you just got off a workout and they got the tote bag right here, which I'm gonna add this back now, and you had your tote ready and it's in your gym bag. Most of this seems like that line for the gym because you don't want it too harsh or too real strong and smelly. And you're just like working out. So that's great. I'm going to be using this 2 more times for my beard wash. I'm going to be, because it's winter care. No, as you know, this is winter care. My beard's going to get washed 2 more times. I'm washing my beard every other day to keep moisture added into it. And I'm going to show you my full routine with the last review to show you what I've done. And last but not least, this gift set came with deodorant, which is a great ad. Now, well, this right here with this line this is a naturally diverted. So this is what this says right there. All that is the key things that's also what makes this product line kind of the next level. If you want to see people that want to preserve the earth and go into like helping out and all that kind of stuff, or not spending your money smartly and for the environment's sake, that's what this is. This line is mainly for Everyday Jack. This is Everyday Jack's deodorant, aluminum free. This is a Sandalwood body. So first things first, oh, that came off. And this is how much it is. This is 3 ounces. 3 ounces is not a lot. And this is what it looks like. Ooh, nice. It's cool. I like the different color. All right, you just go in your arms. A little tidbit. I don't shave. This is not like a winter care moment, but I barely shave. This is what it comes off like. I think I use too much, which that can happen. And when access happens, just get your towel, the same towel I just used. So, sorry, a little bit default. A little bit of a techno error. I am done with this. I just was dabbing my shoulders because I've added too much of this product. Sorry for the technical difficulties one more again. And this is what this is. As a first try, it feels good. My arms can move, everything like that. It smells good. Let me smell this real quick. It smells really great. I love that it got really soaking wet after a body wash. Won't lie, I do like this line. I'm gonna try it and I'm gonna be using this every single day. So next week will be a review for this, and then check out tomorrow for the other Everyday Jack. See, we're putting it up now. All right, see you with the next one.